Hello, I'm going to be providing a quick overview of the Curtain Commander for the Bite Me group. The Curtain Commander is a simple robot with two motors and an overhead light with the goal of being able to open the curtains or blinds and close the curtains or blinds. And when there's not sufficient lighting outside the window, the overhead light can turn on or off depending. Here's a quick overview of the algorithm. The Curtain Commander will be controlled by signals, either by remote or signals received from other Wake Up Good robots in our Bite Me company. The Curtain Commander will wait until a signal to either raise or lower the curtains is received. Whenever a signal is received, the robot will check which position the curtains are currently in. Then, if the curtains are not already open, it will open those curtains. Once open, it will check for sufficient natural light outside. In the event there is not, it will turn on the overhead light. If sufficient lighting is present, nothing will happen with the light. It will stay off. If a signal is received while the curtains are already open, the robot will instead close the curtains and will then check if the overhead light is already on, and if it is, it will turn it off. Here I have the circuit and code for the Curtain Commander robot. It is simply just two motors, a sensor that can be programmed with this remote, and a photoresistor attached to a light. The photoresistor is going to check whether or not the light is sufficient outside whenever the curtain or blinds is raised. Here's a brief, quick overview of the code. And a quick simulation of how everything works. So without receiving any signal, it won't do anything. But if we press this red button here, the power button, you can see that the motors are currently spinning, and I have it set at the moment for just 4 seconds to simulate how long it may take to open the curtains or blinds. After 4 seconds, it will check the light level, which I currently have as dark. So ideally, when this checks, after 4 seconds, we should see the light pop on and the motors stop running. And there you go. So now we have set the position to curtain state being true because curtains are currently open. And when curtain state is open, if we receive another signal, we should see the light turn back off because the curtains are closing. And now the motors are running in the opposite direction to show the curtain closing. And this can be done multiple times. And I'll also show one more iteration with the light outside being plenty bright once this motor decides to stop. And one more. So it was down, now opening back up. And once the motors turn off this time, we should see, because the light outside is sufficient, there's no need to turn on the overhead light. And as a result, the light is still off. Thank you.